In this tutorial, we will configure the Crawleo MCP server in Claude Desktop. First, open your browser and go to crawleo.dev. Sign in to your account or create a new one if you have not already. Once you are logged in, head over to Dashboard and click on API Keys. Now, create a new API key by giving it a name. And copy this API key. Make sure to save it somewhere safe. Now, open Claude Desktop and go to Settings. Open Developer and click on Edit Config. Now, open this Claude_Desktop_config file in Notepad. And inside this MCP server, paste this code. And now, replace your API key with your actual API key. Now, save this file and close Claude Desktop completely. Now, open Claude Desktop again and go to Settings. Developer, and now you should see the Crawleo MCP server running. Now, let's test it. Open New Chat. Click on this plus icon, Connectors, and you should see Crawleo MCP server. Now, let's test it. And here it is. The Crawleo MCP server is working inside Claude Desktop.